Hi there, the name of this video is pretty much a giveaway. We're gonna turn colorful images into black and white images. But the cool thing is that we are going to have lots of control about how it goes black and white. The same with this one, black and white it, even we will add tint to recolor it. Alright, exciting times, let's get into it in Photoshop. But before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will help you. To get started, let's open up these two images. Let's start with this forest. Now, there is a few ways in Photoshop to make things black and white. The best way, in my opinion, is under Adjustments, this one here called Black and White in the second row. I can drag this way. You can see kind of like get more control about going black and white rather than going full black and white. We try to fix it with something like levels. You've got this kind of full control here, so it's your way through until you find something you are happy with. Now, one little tip for you is this option here. So, you can click on this little hand here, and what it allows you to do, you can actually just drag on this, drag it right to make it lighter, and drag it left to make it darker. Like you can see, when I drag it to left, I make things darker. And when I will drag it to right, I will make things lighter. You can see the difference. So let's jump to the second example. We will do the same thing and I will show you one last trick. The same thing as before, we can just adjust this level. It is probably easier to start dragging, and let's say I want to make everything darker. So I'm just dragging the hand to the left. Or if I want to make things lighter, I will drag the hand to the right. The thing I wanted to show you is this thing called tint. It allows us to make black and white things in one color. Now I can click on this and pick any color I like. So you drag this slider up and down to find the kind of color range you want. A little bit of extra adjustment with this little slider, and always it is non-destructive layer, like you can notice. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up, and if you have any issues, leave me a comment and I will reply. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorials.